Chief Minister Nongthom Bambirin says process is underway listing of Meitei or Meitei community in scheduled tribe list. House discusses 5 demand for grants worth over 1,000 crore rupees. Manipur Human Rights Commission acting chairperson says lack of financial autonomy, inadequate staff and infrastructure hinder efficient functioning of the commission. All Manipur Quest staff union begins indefinite cease work strike demanding regularization of Quest linemen of MSPDCL. And today, Luira Fanit 2019 celebrations begin with traditional fervor and gaiety at Hongpong village of Ukhrul district. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjam with the headlines in details. On the last day of the 7th budget session of the 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly today, Chief Minister Nongthom Bambirin stated in the House that process is underway for inclusion of Meitei or Meitei community in the scheduled tribe list of the Indian Constitution. He assured that the state government takes the issue very seriously. The leader of the House was responding to calling attention motion raised by opposition MLA K. Meghachandra at the backdrop of yesterday's mass rally and proposed statewide total shutdown called by STD-CM in demand for scheduled tribe status of Meitei or Meitei community. Biren maintained that Manipur is inhabited by various communities. He said interests of every community have to be considered in a democratic country. Mentioning that hilly regions of the state are protected under Article 371 Clause 3 of the Indian Constitution, but as per the Constitution, everyone can settle anywhere in the valley region. Chief Minister Biren stated that he personally supports the move in demand for scheduled tribe status. Discussions on 5 demand for grants worth 1,041 crore 5,54,000 rupees is still underway at the time of filing this report.
Settlement area sidasu atop community myam sida settle tawsalaga lay salimneba adna si maitai khaktagi natte even the valley area is safe 3.4 muki geographical areas settlement tawba yaba jaga sidasu atop mix tawkan community myam tari whereas masidai sida akoi community singi class karimta leite adna marmur kanda scheduled tribe ki list sida masi chanbada akoi gi tangai fadaba lay
State government scheduled tribe the my procedures karada state government gi resolution aduga loinana Register General of India gi ani sigi recommendation chang zati sigi sokshan ba yaba sokshan le masi kalhogda ba yadre haibagi adugumba momentum ama yore haina mayam da piba kanone na lawi adu masigi hujigi ani si tobu kanda huji mayam na hairisi the state government recommendation to the Tobiro Hyber. The Madugi recommendation to the Nagi Mamanga. I see a Sanaba Honaba Karakoi, Shusi, Kanna Honori.
During the question hour, opposition MLA A.K. Mirabai asked leader of the House regarding measures being undertaken by the government to empower women police personnel to control rising crimes against women and children in the state. Leader of the House, Chief Minister N. Biren asserted that government has taken advanced measures and that recruitment of women police personnel is underway to increase the strength of women police in Manipur. He opined that the rate of crimes against women and children has declined comparatively over the years. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah expressed happiness that Union External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj was invited to attend Organization of Islamic Cooperation OIC meet held at Abu Dhabi on March 1st and 2nd. The governor stated that Sushma Swaraj represented India as a guest of honor in the meet after 50 years since the OIC meet of 1969 at Rabat, the capital of Morocco. Speaking to media at Raj Bhavan today, the governor stated that India got the chance to take part in the meet due to the unceasing efforts of Prime Minister Narendra Modi in fighting against terrorism for the last 5 years. She expressed pride that the Union Minister shared views on issues concerning terrorism during the meet. Dr. Najma Heptullah asserted that with support pouring in from the rest of the world to Prime Minister Modi, terrorism will soon be uprooted.
I want to congratulate the Honorable Prime Minister for his continuous efforts the last 5 years in creating a goodwill and friendship and a place for India all over the world, and especially in the Gulf and OIC countries. And this is the result of which that in spite of Pakistan objecting to India's participation in the OIC conference, Mrs. Sushma Swaraj was invited as an honored guest, and she was given the platform to speak. This is exactly 50 years since the first time Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed went to Rabat to the OIC conference.
Acting chairperson of Manipur Human Rights Commission, Khaidem Mani, stated that even though MHRC has full autonomy of an institution, the commission is unable to function efficiently due to lack of financial autonomy, adequate staffs and infrastructure. Speaking to media today, the acting chairperson stated that there should be at least 130 staffs to work in Administrative Division, Law Division, Investigating Division, Research and Training Wing of the Commission as per the guideline of National Human Rights Commission. However, the State Commission has only 10 staffs, resulting in delay of cases. Stating that the Commission requires around 5 crore rupees annually to execute works, Khaidem Mani expressed disappointment that meager amount was allotted for the Commission during the ongoing 7th budget session. He urged the public not to take out agitation but to approach the Commission with their concerns, whether it be non-payment of monthly allowances by the government or it be incidents of human rights violations. The MHRC acting chairperson is short of taking befitted actions.
Government bu chai banate government na aduga press na adi praja na human rights commission chi kari no ai besi khangleram driya masi institution amani asuk yam chaw gadabani sarkar china paikhali ba punama ka se human rights kannana bana madugumba sarkar na human rights kannana ba lambi thong sem saba praja ge policy program ya liba mam se human rights ke manung de chanmani Sarkar sineba human rights ngakadurse mana ngakpangam dabanina loina ngam dabanina sarkar gi asoiba yoibe gi hak mangan ba praja gi hak mangan ba toraba kanda wasdok oina human rights commission na lauru u khong u recommend toru u togudabani haibesida sarkar na madu ingadamne.
Linemen working for MSPDCL under Bangalore-based company Quest begin their indefinite cease-work strike from today, demanding government to regularize them. All Manipur Quest staff union demanded regularization of experienced Quest employees who worked for MSPDCL since 2014-15. Instead of new recruitment, the union member states sit in pressing the demand in front of Kaishampat powerhouse. The protesters strongly condemned the indifference shown by the government despite repeated pleas and submission of memorandum concerning their demand.
Zero war Yoruba Siboda, Ecojarigumba, government side tagi, Nadragan MSPDL side taking and Siboda, Subjava Pacum, Umbo Pangdava. Quite again, Nangamatam, the Haragana, Haukiva, February Tang, Kunipan, Numisida Joikoi, Assembly Pumming Ida, Speaker Tong Yonavana, Memorandum Mama Tajan Jerame, Adudagi Hendoga, Honorable CMG, Keno the Salaga Joikoi, Memorandum to Tajan Germany, Hojipoda, government side taking Nadraga MSPDL side tagi, Tajan Griba, Memorandum to Gimaram, the Equator Subjava Pacum, Umbo Pangade, Began Sisida, Hana Lejaraba, experience later by Equabo Hana Pirate BBU, Equi regulation to BU, Machine Tabatarga, the Equi, Makataba, Hongjang, Adum Changchil.
All Manipur Muslim Organization Coordinating Committee Amokok want to boycott BJP candidates in the upcoming Lok Sabha election if government fails to put into actions the agreement signed between the committee and the government before the announcement of election code of conduct. Speaking to media at Amokok office in Hatta today, Amokok President S.M. Jalal stated that agreement signed between Amokok and the government regarding the eviction carried out at Mantri Pukri and Khetri Bengun Awa Hill and regarding regularization of 150 teachers recruited under Waqf board are yet to be put into action. He further demanded clarification on whereabouts of budget sanctioned under Pradhan Mantri Jan Vikas Karyakram for minorities.
Atamnana minority singi lam lauchan nana bokhona kiba pick and choose over mongda forest len eki bakada eviction togani haidana adumaina yamna minungshi yaudana tobi kiba matutegi ngasi fawbada hariba khungang sita tawkiba si nataba atopa mafam ama fawbada tawbagi wafam sul leitri aduna madaita awaba takraba yum leijatraba mioi kayamana ngasi wachat chatlaga relief camp da amadi tuan mafam sing the one leliba music as a quick lamdam sigi prasangactani, quick lamdam sigi chilidong actani, hyper wakalsi, can be rakanda, Manipur Sakarna, Ladiba Civil Society Organization sing a Paminaraga, Yanakiba Aduba Famsing Adudi, Pazana Tabakta on Tuaning.
Imphal West Commando team carried out cordon and search operations at Pauna Bazar area of Imphal West district today. The team carried out search operations under the supervision of additional SP Operation Imphal West Police Aribam Ghanashyam Sharma at Masjid Road to Kakulong Maharani Bridge, BT Road and from Mahabir Pharmacy to Ibohal Cycle and Polo Ground from 8 a.m. to 8:45 a.m. A total of 762 individuals were verified and 42 individuals without proper identification proofs were picked up and handed over to City Police Station for further verification. Commando Taubal arrested one Muhammad Ikram, 25 years, son of Muhammad Abdul Salam from Yadipo Koirum, Haitroi Pokpi, in possession of 15 logs of timber without valid documents. The team apprehended a miscreant carrying the timber in a Tata truck bearing registration number MN052655 at Hayel Labuk Palli this afternoon around 1:40. The timbers were being The arrested person and the seized timbers were handed over to District Forest Office, Taubal. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Luira Panit 2019 celebrations at Hunpung, Ukhrul District. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. Seed Sowing Festival of Tangkhul Naga Community, Luira Panit 2019, which marks the beginning of a new cycle of agricultural activities, begin with traditional fervor and gaiety at Hunpung village of Ukhrul District today. The two-day celebrations held on the theme Ngashan Hi Masuna, which means culture is the truth, begin with the welcome address by Hunpung village chief Uyayung Peter at Hunpung Kuyawo Lengapa. A monolith was also unveiled on the occasion at Kayaiwo Lengapa in the presence of church and village leaders. This year's Luira Panit celebrations brought all the 7 clans of Hunpung village together in one platform for the first time to invoke the blessings of the Almighty for good harvest and good year. Village elders enacted sowing of seeds for cultivation during the festival. Maiden youths of the village also performed a maiden dance called La Kangnanui, which enthralled the audience. Beauty contests, bamboo climbing contests and various other traditional events will be held during the two-day festival. One-day training program on post-harvest management of horticultural crops and marketing thereof was held at Green Hills Model Farm in Sorbung of Senapati district today. Manipur Small Farmers Agribusiness Consortium, Imphal and Green Hills Society, Senapati District jointly organized a training program under the aegis of National Institute of Agricultural Marketing, NIAM, Jaipur. Project Coordinator of Manipur Small Farmers Consortium, MS Kaidam, Managing Director of Matalva Agro Machineries and Services Imphal, T.H. Baleshwar, Chief Executive Officer of Nahakpam Foods and Beverages Imphal, and Shanta, President of Green Hills Society Senapati, and Joyson Tao, and many farmers in the area attended the program. Speaking on the occasion, Project Director of the consortium, MS Kaidam, said that farmers are still unable to fix rates of their produces, but consumers are in control of it. He stressed the need for farmers to be well equipped with modern technology of preservation and packaging of their produces. MS Kaidam said farmers would prosper only when they are able to produce quality and high-in-demand products. MoMA Assistant Project Officer Dr. L. Jidbit, KVK Thoubal Agro Subject Matter Specialist and Tomba, and Green Hill Society President and Joyson Tao spoke on various topics in the training program.
Bazaar Kudimakta Lekai district Kudimakta shopping mall Mayama Tole shopping mall Sinazu is a good asset. Pharmacy Damakta Port Yombaki Quaidagi Araiba outlet Ama Weba Panglabani. Tampakta Pang the Portu, Sing the Putopungami, a Kui Nimul Chakuba Matamda, how I trap belly the Putopoyadi, Sing the Diam Line Putopungami October Tada. And Mamantanga, who's sitting the Pangami the Putoyaraga, Yam Mamantang Yomungami. At Mina cropping cycle, cropping sequence, 6 season the Zanava Singasi Putuaga, Sendongsi, Line at Tanbay. I do the Mutani marketing agency, Mayama can link the Holy Basi. Posi Targa, you under the Madu Beluka late.
One-day training program on ill effects of smoking and other tobacco products for health profession was held at Moray Primary Health Center. Agent Social Changes, ASOC and District Tobacco Control Cell or District Health Society, Technopol District jointly organized a training program. Speaking in the event, District Immunization Officer Dr. Gojendro stressed on the health hazards of tobacco uses and smoking. Moray Primary Health Center staffs, Asha and Angalwadi workers attended the program. "50 trainees of Sericulture Training Institute, Gwakta, and 10 beneficiaries under Integrated Sericulture Development Project left for field cum exposure visit this morning. Sericulture Director S. Kunjakishore flagged off the team leaving for Assam, Boro Territorial Council and other neighboring states in front of Sericultural Directorate today.
Silk product putopadi okay all India country ki na Assam number 1 ni maruina Assam gi akoi ki aduda natana iri gi tongan ba akoi ki mill mayam so samda establish tawre hariba ana Manipur da jo akoi iri span milam kha akoi sangai pasida akoi athuba matam da install tawrani ana madai da mafam du da Assam da andagi Bodoland da tawriba iri gi koi ki iri culture hai tare sigi mill adagi farm gi mong mayam so akoi khangba darkar leba ana handagi exposure busy sida satra mayam department mayam khari ji masigi marui da behind koi ki agenda am su leyaba.
Salam Sushil from Moray Ward number 5, Premnagar Laikai rescued an endangered bird, hornbill, in Moray today. He bought the bird from some hunters and then handed over to Lokcha Wildlife Sanctuary, Moray, under the instruction of Moray Police Additional SP. Letters from Prime Minister Narendra Modi to 427 individuals who applied for Pradhan Mantri Jan Ayogya Yojana PMJAY card were distributed today. Councillor of Thoubal Municipal Council Ward number 13, Sanasam Ibotombi, and Asha workers distributed the letters at the councillor's residence in Sagol, Tongba, Thoubal. Former Moirang MLA M. Prithviraj today launched Congress Party's Jan Samprak Abhiyan campaign in Sunusipai. Before initiating the campaign organized by Moirang Block Congress Committee, visits were made at every household under polling station number 40 of Moirang constituency, exposing the drawbacks of the BJP government. Speaking on the occasion, MPCC General Secretary M. Prithviraj stated that the campaign aims to inform people about the wrongdoings of BJP government to defeat BJP in the upcoming Lok Sabha election.
Yumthong Changjatana Congress Commission Punaga, Angamba, Pesa, Niba Chanjagadori, Masiki Pesa, percentage wise, AICC the percentage Kara, PCC the Kara, then a district the Kara to block the Karaja. Masiki may no pandam de Pesado Kakina Tekoki Congress Party Sibu, grassroots level the Gekoki, Mapankal Kalkanaba, Aduhanaki Lakada, Lok Sabha, Mikalda, Matunga Vidhan Savada, a polling session the Congress Commission, Ling Nalayakanda, BJP Amadimagi communal loba, no agenda, Simukuna Maiti Pina Bita.
Ukhrul District Election Officer in a press release informed to those vehicles owners whose vehicles were utilized during 2017 State Assembly election to collect their due hiring charges from the office of Ukhrul District Election Officer. And in sports news, Mangal FA Khabam will play against HUFC Haingang in the final of Under-14 Girls Football Tournament tomorrow. In the first semi-final match played today at Kuman Lampak Sports Complex Artificial Turf Ground, Mangal FA Khabam beat KSYC Kurai 5-0. For the winners, M. Stylin, TH Linen, H. Kiran, TH Jackson and S. Topper scored 1 goal each. In the second semi-final match, HUFC Haingang beat PYPC 2-0. For the winners, Jetli and Rohan scored 1 goal each. 11 teams completed on knocked-out basis in the football tournament organized by the District Youth Affairs and Sports Office, Imphal East, under the aegis of Khelo India Sports for Peace and Development. Before we end the bulletin, let's take a look at headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthom Bambiren says process is underway listing of Meitei or Meitei community in the scheduled tribe list. Houses unanimously passes 5 demand for grants worth over 1,000 crore rupees. Manipur Human Rights Commission acting chairperson says lack of financial autonomy, inadequate staff and infrastructure hinder efficient functioning of the commission. All Manipur Quest Staff Union begins indefinite ceasework strike demanding regularization of Quest linemen of MSPTCL. And today, Luira Fanit 2019 celebrations begin with traditional fervor and gaiety at Hongpung village of Ukhrul district.